All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video from the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. It's been a while. We're going to do a quick little lunchtime tool review of the number 3 Phillips from Bosch. I've been using these about 4 months, and I use them at work. And I got to tell you, these things are awesome. If you have a job where you're using the number 3 Phillips, or any Phillips tip, like construction or whatever. My job, I use all different kind of tools, and this is one of the main ones that I use right here. This thing right here, you can tell it's been used and abused. And these things, they come 9 in a pack from the Jungle website. This is how they come. There's 9 of them in a pack, and I can't say enough good things about these things. Before, here, let me get out of the cup holder here. Before, we were using these pieces of shit that my company was getting from Granger. And I don't know where these things are made or whatever. I assume China. I have no clue. But these things suck. I don't even know how many times I've busted my hands open using those things because the tips just come right out of the heads of the screws. With these tips, they don't come out. These things are awesome. Let me get the screws out of the cup holder here. There's 3 different size screws that, oh shit, I just dropped it between the seat. Great. There we go. There's 3 different kind of screws, or 3 different size screws that we use. The bottom one here, that's 4-inch. The middle one is 3-inch, and the one on top there is a 2-inch screw. I'm putting at least 200 of each of those in the units that I build every day. And like I said, those tips get used and abused. But I got a little footage, just a little bit of the tips in use, so stand by. All right, that's the best I can do for footage of the tips being used. Not supposed to have the cell phone out or cameras or any of that kind of shit while I'm working. I'm not even supposed to have it on me, so it was kind of snuck in, and so I could get a little bit of footage for you. But anyway, there you go. PH3 or number 3 Phillips from Bosch. They're badass. If you use those a lot, I'd get you some. They're like $9, $9 for 10, and they last a long time. I'm not even on my second one yet. But like I said, I've only been using them for 4 months, but you know, it is what it is. Usually I do at least a year using the tool, but I didn't really think that it was warranted to go a whole year with these tips. So, yeah, there you go. All right, guys, take it easy, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.